In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the latest revision from FrSky on their QX7 model. Now, from the looks of it, it doesn't look like anything has changed, but there are some hardware changes that are really great and that actually should have came out when the product first released. So one thing about the software, it's currently using the Access software, so D8 is not currently supported, but you can get D16 to work for the XM Plus radios. However, the small micro quadcopters with the built-in D8 receiver or the FrSky receiver will not work without some sort of a multi-protocol module, so keep that in mind. Also, with this latest revision, they also do provide you with the R9M module, which is a 900 MHz long-range system, which comes in the box with the device itself. However, you don't get any receivers, so you have to purchase those separately. So basically, this thing is compatible with 900 MHz and 2.4 GHz out of the box. Now let's jump slightly into the hardware changes. Now some of these should have been done on the first release of the product. For example, charging capabilities. Now you're able to actually charge the batteries that are inside, and what's really nice this time is they actually give you an 18650 tray that comes with it, so you could always keep those plugged in and actually charge via the normal mini USB. They're not using a micro USB, the mini USB, so you can easily start charging from that. Now, one major issue that was with the QX7 was that it will not run the TBS Crossfire without some sort of a modification, to be exact, a hardware modification. Now, I don't know if it actually works now, but I'm pretty certain that you will still need that hardware modification in order to get the TBS Crossfire to work. Now, they are also stating lower latency, which I haven't personally tested, especially with their newer software here, which I am planning on doing in the next couple weeks or so. So I'll be testing the latency and seeing how well that does and see if these claims are actually true. Now also, if you didn't want to use the 18650 battery tray, you could easily pop that out and put in any 2S lithium polymer or lithium ion pack that will fit in the back, and you should be good to go into that perspective. The gimbals feel exactly identical. I don't think they're Hall effect gimbals, but they do feel really nice, and they still do have those notches. Now in terms of buttons and physical buttons, nothing has changed. Everything's identical. Also, some people might be wondering if the Bluetooth is built in on this one, and actually it is not. Now if you don't know this, FrSky released an application which will allow you to pipe the telemetry down to your phone, so you can get a nice little GUI with all these kinds of information. However, this one doesn't seem to have that Bluetooth functionality, which in my opinion I think should have been added here. Alright guys, and that's going to conclude it for this video. Make sure you come join my Patreon where I give all this stuff out for free at the end of each month. Last month I gave like 12 away, and you also do support the channel and get access to my secret shop. And again, everything is linked down below, from the 2.4 GHz receivers down to the 900 MHz. So go ahead and check those out. Those greatly support the channel, and if I'm able to get a coupon for you for this current transmitter, I'll have it there. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.